Hello everyone, guess what I have today? I have the Brutus Monroe Sweethearts Inspiration Box. This is the January 2021 box, and I actually haven't seen any unboxings of it, so because I haven't been looking, because I like to be surprised. But from what I've seen of the stamp set, like what the inspiration team for Brutus Monroe has done with it, it's a winner. Winner, chicken dinner for sure. So I am going to set this off to the side and we'll pull pieces out one by one, but I'm excited to get started with this. All right. Okay, so let's pull out this. Everything in it. Oh, I can already tell you this looks incredible. Holy cow. Okay. So here is our adorable little pin. It's an ice cream truck. How cute is that? That's adorbs. Oh my gosh. I love the detail on it. And the colors are so pretty. So there's that. We're going to set that off to the side. Oh my gosh, there's so many fun things in here. You're not even going to believe it. Oh, I love what they're doing. Check it out. Here is our ribbon collection. Ah, good for you, Brutus Monroe. I love this. I love that they have it all on. I know it's just a silly detail, you know, but this is so cute. And so you get your 3 colors, 1 yard of each color, and I'm assuming that this is our color palette. And it is, because check out the sequin pack. Love this. 5 ounces per package. Fabulous. So you've got some like copper and some dark pink and light pink in there. This is screaming ice cream. Okay, so we've got those. Then we even have some little sprinkles. Check that out. That's awesome. I love it. Okay, let's move on to the foilables, which y'all know I have my mink now, so I can't wait to actually do some more foiling. I haven't done any in a little bit. Look at how detailed those are. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. So you could use your Copic colors on these, or your alcohol markers, and color these up and then foil them if you wanted. You can ink sponge on them. Oh, I've got ideas flowing. These are wonderful, and yes, great for Valentine's Day, but I feel like hearts just go all year round personally, because you can never tell the ones you love that you love them enough. I feel like you just don't. So this is great. So you get 2 of each one. So you have 8 total. That's already 8 card panels. That's perfect. And those are just, wow, those are so fun. So I'm now with my mink, I'm going to try foiling a little bit more detailed stuff and see if I have better luck, because with my old laminator, I didn't have as good a luck laminating, or not laminating, but foiling when it was very detailed. So if you notice, I didn't really do that in the past. All right, so those are awesome. Oh, and what is this? These are sentiments. Are these like sentiment strips? No way. No freaking way. Ah! Okay, I'm sorry. That is awesome. And this one, so it's black on white, but you could foil that. I'm sure you could foil that. So you get 2 of each of white and 2 of black. And look at this. Nothing says I love you like ice cream. Happy anniversary. You are super sweet. Treat yourself. Let's celebrate. Always add sprinkles. Enjoy the little things. Hello. Life is sweeter with you in it. Happy birthday to you. Cheers to the birthday girl. Cheers to the birthday boy. Eat dessert first. Hello, sweet thing. It's your day. Love you more than ice cream. That means a lot. You make me smile. Thank you for your friendship. You rock. Thank you. Thank you for being so sweet. You are simply the sweetest. You make me smile. When life hands you lemons, make some sorbet. You are a sweetheart, and you are 2 scoops of fabulous. And it's the same on the black, but that's awesome. Look at all those sentiments. I love that. Oh my gosh, that is an absolute win. Love, 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 love. Okay, and if any of these things are available separately, I'll have them linked down below separately, but I'm already in love with that. Michael, if you're watching. Okay, so let's talk about our paper now, because we'll get to the stamp set in a minute. Oh, yes. A whole sheet of some red glitter stock, and then we have some lighter weight cardstock in brown, white, light pink, dark pink, and red. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. That is, yeah. And it's just all this stuff coming together. Like, this is fabulous. Okay, so here is our stamp set. It's called Sweet Valentine. And look at all the little elements that you have here. So you could add as many scoops as you wanted. Here's another scoop. There's a couple of scoops there. We've got the sentiments that say, you make me melt, I heart you, be mine, XOXO. And you have this adorable scene. This is fabulous. So how cute is that? In like 1950s kind of diner. You've got all these things to make little ice cream cones. And then to top it off, we have matching dies. I am so excited. And look at this one. So this one looks like it's going to go over the top and it'll cut out this whole piece right here so that you could have something in the background. Like maybe this is outside, maybe it's something else. Oh, I love this. I love this. This is so great. Oh my goodness. So, all right. Give me a few days because I want to play around with this. Have a lot going on in the next few days, next few weeks, but I am absolutely excited to dive right into this one. I can't wait. And yes, if there are things available separately, I'll have it linked down below. I'll have the box itself linked down below because that's always a better deal to just go ahead if you like several things in this kit. Or even if you just like these, it's so worth it because, I mean, to buy these separately, it's probably just these two alone is more than the box. So my suggestion would be to just get the box. So I'll have it linked down below. Oh my gosh, so much fun stuff. If you like this video, hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe and hit the little bell icon that's going to notify you when I have a video that comes out. And that way if you're looking for this particular video, it'll let you know that I have a video out. So, all right, guys, I'll see you very soon in another video. Bye, everybody.